video. I've received this CST-30 bracket today for my ICOM 705, and after installing this bracket on with the little hole around the BNC connector, I can't seem to get this BNC connection locked in completely because of the added few millimeters of metal there. I wonder if anybody else has this issue, or is it just my ICOM 705 with the BNC connector not fully at the right place. Don't know if you can see this, but there you go. I can't seem to lock in. It's just sitting there loose. The other way is I take this out of the around of the BNC connector and leave it on the side, but that defeats the purpose then.